So this is a different scenario. We're going to start from the beginning up to where we get our root port. Now, the first thing we'd want to consider is who becomes our root bridge. Let's just forget about, for a minute, let's just forget about the labels we have on there and just look by inspection. So by inspection, we have how many switches? We have 4 switches, switch 1, which has a bridge ID of 32768 with a MAC address of 01. Switch 2 has 32768 with MAC address 02. Switch 3 has 3276803. Switch 4 has 3276804. Now, from the perspective of all the switches, they will all be sharing information claiming to be the boss. But at the end of the day, because this guy has the lowest bridge ID, this guy will become the root bridge. And this explains why this is a root bridge. We've gone past this stage, but we can see that there's a loop here. It's a circle. The next thing we want to consider is from the perspective of the non-root bridges, which is this guy, and this guy. From their perspective, we want to see on those devices which port is the best port. So let's start with switch 2. So on switch 2, in order for us to get to switch 1, we can go directly to switch 1, or we can do switch 1 from switch 2 to switch 4, and then from switch 4 to switch 3, and then from switch 3 to switch 1. So basically, we can have any of the 2 directions. Now, if we decide to go from switch 2 to switch 1 directly, the cost, because it's a 1 gigabit link, the cost is 4. So we end up paying a cost of 4. But if we decide to go through from switch 2 to switch 4, we have a cost because it's using a fast Ethernet link here. So we'll have a cost of 19 between this one plus between this one. So this is 19. Between this one and this one is 4. So between these two, we already have 20 something, 23, plus another cost here, which is 4. So this is 8 plus 19, that's 27. So 19 plus this, 23 plus this, 27. So if we decide to go through switch 2 to 4, then switch 4 to 3, then switch 3 to 1, we're incurring a cost of 27. But if we decide to go directly, we get a cost of 4. And so this explains why this is the root port.